Hi guys, good morning. I would like to start my day with an installation of OpenSuse. So a message online, I don't know where it was again, about a YouTube video, that was it, between OpenSuse Leap and Tumbleweed. That's the both of the names. And I thought, oh yeah, remember the days that we went to a shop and we bought a box with a book, right, about SUSE, and then 5 DVDs in it. And if you wanted to install something, you had to switch DVDs. So the internet was not really there yet those days. Okay, let's have a look at our old SUSE operating system. Tumbleweed, initializing. Yeah, the same nice green colors. Deja vu, right? Do I need to press something? Not yet, I think. So, network auto setup, installer update repositories, welcome network, system analysis, online repositories, disk time zone user. Okay, I'm ready for it, if they are. Okay, probing, looking all kinds of things. Then, language. Lot to choose. Keyboard will not do for me, unfortunately. Next. USB FireWire is probing my system. Enabled online repositories during installation gives you access to all software that has not fit, and it's already an ISO 4 or 5 gigabyte, right? Does not fit on installation media anymore. Additionally, those, yeah, go ahead, activate. So we got sources, debug, OSS, non-OSS, open source, I guess, and filter and all that. Okay, next, let's do it like this. So that was the preliminaries, the beginning. I am a fan of Plasma these days, but XFC is also interesting, but that's something we can't mix. Text mode interface. Generic desktop. This looks like an ArcoLinux D, a graphical system with reduced package set intended as a base. But I wonder what desktop we get, is if we get the desktop. So, don't know. Let's go to Plasma. We're going to create a GPT. Oh my god. Actually, guys, this is a bias with BTRFS for swap. So no choice, it's BTRFS, or maybe I can do some things here. Guided setup. Maybe. Back. Cancel. You know, I'm always a fan of keep it simple and stupid. So this is the opposite. Lots and lots of sub volumes. And opt is where Linux puts all the applications that are not really part of the user share bin and user share applications and all that. So it has their own place. So they're on sub volume, home one, boot, grub, and the other boot is there, and all the rest. Okay. PTRFS. I did set in VirtualBox that it's a bias system, so we'll see what happens. Synchronizing. Yes, yet another system. It's something like that. Yet another. Let's see if we can click on the right button. Yay, Belgium. Got it. Next. User full name, whatever. Voila. Use the password for system automatic login. Let's have a look at the welcoming screen, right? Let's not log in automatically. Password is too short. Should have at least 5 characters. Really use it. Thank you, Yang. Thank you that I still can use my very simple password because I'm attached to it. So, grub 2. Trusted boot disabled. I can enable it, even that, right? Trusted boot. And then write into MBR. Do not write. Do not write into partition, right? So still lots more to discover on that end. Graphical mode. CPU mitigations. It's earlier. Mitigations, and then firewall will be enabled, will be disabled, will be blocked, is disabled, default, and using the network manager, switch to wickets, disable services. No, don't see anything I'd like to change. This is something that you need to test, right? Trusted boot, disable, enable. That's something that's interesting. So let's keep everything as is because I'm too stupid to change anything. Confirm installation. Yeah, sure. It's VirtualBox, so you can do whatever you want to my system. I don't care. As long as you reboot. It's like a mitraillette, like a machine gun. Star Wars sounds with it, and voila, you got sci-fi. Use the time to read the names. So lots of libraries, but sometimes there is a name, a package that you recognize. If you can scroll up, by the way. So Mozilla is there, Bash, Breeze cursors, BTRFS, UDEF rules. Do we have that? Control T. Yay, BTRFS, UDEF. No packages match search. Here are all the K stuff, KKKK, and then all the L stuff. Let's go over all the L's, and then the man pages, a build key, oxygen, something to unzip, xorg, yest. What was it again? Yest. No, I need to go and look it on the internet. Control F. Firefox. Yes stands for, and then it says yet another setup tool and some other things. Yeah, all acronyms. Okay, what else? Some spelling. Again, a lot of libraries for probably maybe Gpart, I don't know. I did ask to install a major desktop. That is taking longer than XFCE or GNOME would. Python is there. K-core add-ons, we know that from Calamaris. We need it. Well, that's nice. Hadn't seen that up here. I have a way to know, or don't I? I see in a way. Ah, yeah, see it go down, right? So I can more or less estimate when it will be finished. And at the bottom we can see the same thing, same information down here. But it's a lot, right? Can I see an OMG? That's typical Linux, right? All these dependencies, all these packages, and then you wonder, what do they all do? Why do I need them all, right? Plymouth is there. Okay. Java 11 is there. And Gamma. WPA supplicant should say something to the laptop owners. Pipewire is there. Count service is there. The Sans fonts are there. Google fonts are there. Let's scroll up. What if I do Control T, Haru, Google fonts? Ouch! I get a lot. What is here? Roboto, Poppins, OpenSuse, Droid, Carlito. We have the TTF Google Sans on AOR. TTF Google Fonts Git. It's a lot of stuff. I have 52 hits if I do Paru Google fonts. And fonts are important because you look at them all day long. So choose one that you like, choose one that you can see with your eyes, right? Not everybody can, some are visual impaired, like myself. The reading glasses. Crony is there, Cups is there, Xorg stuff. Okay, Ghost Script, XDG, I think I just saw. Just Snapper is there, BTRFS, right? Pulse Audio is there as well. Just, you know, all kinds of Just things. So the tools, the settings tools. Just, yet another setup tool. Number 2. And then later on number 3. And number 4. Plymouth again. Grub2 Snapper. VLC codecs. What else? KWallet is there. JDK2, JDK3. Screensaver. Look at that. Screensaver data is there. Always fun. Lots of things in there. I'm not a fan because it's annoying when it starts. The screensaver distracts me from my coding. Rather not have something to the left in my left, how do you say that? The pitch in the eye, the left eye, I see something moving and it's distracting. All these screensavers are nice, but no thanks. Plasma. Okay, screen locker. LibreOffice is installed. Ta-da! The mail merge. OpenVPN network manager. Power Devil is there. What is an interesting exercise if you don't know these packages is go and type in the names in Yay or Baru or in Pacman and see, do we have something similar? Do we have also a package that's more or less similar named? It's not 100% one-on-one, but sometimes it is, right? Breeze 5 wallpapers is not important, but do we have it? Right, maybe. I don't know. Libsane, do we have it? Code script, and so on. It is, after all Linux that we're using. Baloo is there from the Jungle Book. Baloo the bear. 27 packages, come on. I've been so patient now. How long have I been patient already? 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, you're done, you're saying, but what is this little bit down here? I do like the little icon when it's busy. The cursor becoming this thing. It really is an image of the past, like, whoa, 20 years back. Maybe longer. Come on. If I could push it, I would push it. I would help it. Ah, there it goes. Automatic configuration, so okay, bootloader configuration. Okay. I wonder what it will do. UEFI. Finish. Log files to the system. Snapshot. The system will reboot. I don't have to do anything. Well, I can wait for 5 milliseconds. I don't want to click. Voila. Decision time. Okay. I've got an idea. Root from hard disk. I'm not touching anything. Let's see if it all goes normally. F1, F2 for your mode, source, kernel, driver. So things to choose there. Don't know if he's counting down or anything, so I'm just waiting to see if it is counting down. I better press enter. Okay, press enter. OpenSuse advanced. Okay, read only snapshot, right? So PTRFS. Do you want to see it? Yes, I like to see it. An E is what I pressed. E from Eric, that one, the first one then. Hint, bare metal, fine. 5.15-6.1. Hey, it's the same as ours on Arch. Congrats, guys. It says splash is silent rather than no splash, and quiet. Mitigations, auto. Maybe something to investigate. And that's it. We can't go any lower than that. Oh wait, I should be in the correct window. No, it's the end. So escape. Let's boot up. And this is Plymouth. And this is me. Standard breeze, I think. Going in. Now I see that there's a little chameleon in there. Eric, oh my god, why didn't you see that in the first place? So readme documentation, get software, KDE, Plasma help, build OpenSuse, and then don't show next time, close. Nice little wallpaper, nice little accent there. That I did see, a little chameleon here. I'm on my guard now. That's the software we get. Maybe we should go slower. So this, okay. Mail, contact, compare. Maybe their applications say, oh, what's that? Sudo pacman -s, go for it. LibreOffice is there. Ocular, a document viewer. Events, another one. BIM is there. Scan light. That's something I don't know. What do we use? We have another one. You look it up. Spectacle system. VLC, Tiger VNC viewer. Got that as well. Well, we've got everything, right? It's the AOR. It's Arch. We have most of the software on AOR. Voila, that's all we have. And for the rest is just your standard Plasma. Let's have a look at the settings. So appearance is up here. I'm wondering if this is the same. I think they made a decision already to not show the sidebar. Voila. So choices, right? So people make choices. So they said, let's hide this thing. And I say no, because it gives me an overview of all the things I can do. And then we go back in and say, splash, whatever. Don't want to splash at all. And font management. You can go in here. Launch feedback. Bouncing. Cursors. I love my white one. Apply. Icons. Breeze. Breeze dark. Breeze dark. Apply. Fonts. Too small. Adjust all fonts. Size 11. Thanks. Voila. Bigger. Apply, of course. Everything gets applied. Window decorations, colors, Plasma style. This is the white thing. Black thing. Apply. Rather like my things to be black at the bottom. Again, it reads better. Application style. Voila. And then there's so much more, right? Like the desktop effects and the screen edges. There's so much you can do. I think always that it's broken if it doesn't wobble. I think it's actually broken. I know, maybe you think otherwise. I'm sorry, but we've put it on by default, right? The wobbly thing won't work here, but it is now set. And yeah, there is so much more, but it's basically Plasma. So if you're working on ArcoLinux Plasma, ArcoLinux Plasma, and EverWest Plasma, Garuda Plasma, anything ArcoLinux based Plasma, you can easily switch to something else, Debian Plasma, the SUSE Plasma, because it is still right Plasma. The VBox, the compositor, sometimes important to enable, disable these things or go up. And startup, shut down, how to start some stuff. Desktop session, yeah, this maybe. There is another thing I always look for and always forget where it is. The keyboard shortcuts, quite important. My custom shortcuts, I want them, right? Control T is working, but F12 is not working. Yakuake is not there yet, and stuff like that. So we need to, like always, any desktop out there, we need to make it our own, and we need to change things that we, kind of workflow and look we like and love. We'll install some more stuff and make it beautiful, our way of beautiful, and that's super personal. Voila, I've got my experience flashback. OpenSuse, try it if you like it. Cheers.